Welcome to Go Infinity Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. So let's see an example here. The first example is the mixed fraction 4 and 2 over 3. 4 and 2 over 3. To change this mixed fraction to improper fraction, first multiply the denominator by 4 and then add with the numerator 2. So this becomes here 3 times 4 plus 2 and takes the same denominator 3. So 3 times 4 becomes 12 plus 2 over 3. So this becomes here 14 over 3 is the improper fraction. Another example, B, 3 and 2 over 5. 3 and 2 over 5. This is a mixed fraction. So let's multiply the denominator by this whole number 3 and adding with the numerator of this mixed number. So this becomes here 5 times 3 plus 2 dividing by the same denominator 5. So 5 times 3 is equals to 15 plus 2 over 5. So 15 plus 2 gives us 17 over 5. This is the improper fraction. C, let's see another example. C, 5 and 4 over 7. 5 and 4 over 7. Let's change this one in the same fashion. 7 times 5, 7 times 5 plus the numerator 4, the whole over 7. So 7 times 5 becomes here 35 plus 4 over the denominator 7. So this becomes an improper fraction 39 over 7. And another example, that is D, 6 and 3 over 4. 6 and 3 over 4. This can be written as 4 times 6 plus 3 over 4, which is 4 times 6, 24 plus 3 over 4. This implies that 24 plus 3, 27 over 4 is